Hey guys, this is Veerpreet. Let me explain you the first topic, that is called what is a stock market. Now, before I explain you how you make money in stock market and everything, first thing is what is stock market and how do you see stock market. So now let's see, basically stock market has all the companies listed in them. Let's say there is three companies. I'm just giving an example with three companies because I'm going to explain you with this. Let's say, actually, you know what, let's take it with one company. That is going to be better. Let's say there is one company listed. The name of the company is called Apple. Okay, now consider this Apple as pizza. So now what I'm doing is I'm dividing the slices of pizza. Okay, consider this slices as shares. So this is one share that they have put out to sell. So there is many shares that they have put out to sell. Let's say, for example, right now in front of us there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 shares to that Apple has put out that they're going to sell to the public, and anyone can buy. So now they list the price by default that let's say an Apple share is worth, one share is worth, let's say $10. So now if I want to buy this share right now, it will cost me $10 if I buy it right now, right? Now, how do you make money in share market? So tomorrow what happened is, because you have given the money to Apple, right? So now when you buy a share from Apple, this money goes to Apple. So now Apple can use that money and use it for anything like any of their management things, any of the things that help their business grow, or anything that then they can get profit from, or stuff like that. So now they'll use this, and let's say they launch a new iPhone called iPhone 12. Now what happened is, after launching iPhone 12, the sales increased and the company gets very profitable. Now as the sales increase or whatever happens with the company, the share price of one stock is going to increase. So one share price is going to be increased. So why, how, right, let's say we bought one share for $10. Now because let's say the earnings of Apple has increased, or their management has changed, or they did something that increased their revenue, they got merged with something, it could be any reason, that there's many factors that, I mean, increase or decrease the price. So this price increase or decrease depending on many factors. So let's say right now, I'm giving an example. Let's say after the launch of iPhone 12, they got a lot of sales that the stock price went from $10 to $20. So now let's say you have bought one share for $10. Now if you want to sell your share right now, you'll not get $10, you'll get $20. So you made a profit of $10 on one share. So basically this is how you make money. Now what happened is, consider the same example. iPhone 12, instead of making money, they didn't do sales well. And what happened is, after the launch of iPhone 12, something happened in the phone, and the prices or the sales or the revenue decreased. So now that will affect the company too. Now what would happen is, instead of the share price that you got it for $10, it could be $8. So now in this case you're losing $2 a share. So this is how you lose money and you make money. Now I would just want to say, tell you how this looks like, how 1 minute chart looks like. So this is a 3-month daily candle. Don't worry, I'm going to explain this to you in the chart chapter. That's going to be the next one, but I just want to explain you in this case what is a stock market, how it looks like. So let's say this is a daily 1 minute candle. So this is how a 1 minute candle look like. So this is how the stock price varies. So right now I'm taking an example of a company called DGLY. It's a ticker symbol. So every company has a ticker. So let's say Apple has a ticker symbol. It could be APPL or AAPL. I think it's AAPL. So that's the ticker symbol of Apple. So let's say if I go and see Apple right now, how it looks like. Let's see. Okay. So this is how Apple looks like. Apple 1 minute candle. This is how 1 minute candle look like. So what happened today? The stock went to $109 to the max, and it closed at where? It closed at $108 something cents, $108.85, 84 cents. I'll explain you this, don't worry. But what I wanted to show you over here is, this is the price movement. This is how you make or lose money. Let's say you bought the share today at this price. So today at the end of the day, you'll be in loss of how much? Let's say you bought it for over here for like $109.80, and right now it's at $108.80. You are in loss of $1. Let's say tomorrow you wake up and something happened and the price will go up. Whatever the price will go up and up or down in every second. So tomorrow, let's say you woke up and company has good news. The price went to $110. You'll be in profit of 20 cents or 30 cents, depending on what price you got it. So this is how you make or lose money in a stock market. And continue with the next chapter. Perfect.